Hello to the team at Spokane Hardwood Floors. My name's Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you some really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking, and using the search words hardwood flooring Spokane Valley, I found that you are on page 2, and you're up towards the top right there. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google never look past page 1. So even being on page 2, you're missing out on 92% of the search traffic that should be seeing you but is not. So it's a huge percentage to be missing out on. We need to get you bumped up in the rankings and onto page 1, which will multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. And the title tags are these blue lines of text. And here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for. It's also telling Google that these are the keywords or the search words that you want people to use to find you with. Now, I used the search words hardwood flooring. That is a huge traffic volume keyword, but nobody searching for hardwood flooring would even know to type in your business's name. Now, even though your business contains the keywords hardwood floors, the way Google works, Google knows that this is your business's name, and so Google then will disregard any keywords that are in a business's name. So the correct format that Google wants to see in this case would be choosing the highest search volume keyword for your service, which would be hardwood flooring. I would make your keyword or your title tag be hardwood flooring dash Spokane Valley dash Spokane hardwood floors with your business name at the end. That would satisfy Google's format and contain the keyword at the front. Now let me show you how critically important it is to have the right search words in your title tag. If I copy your title tag word for word as it is, open up a new tab, paste it into the search bar, paste and go, watch what happens. Using the words that you have in your title tag, you are the first person or the first business that people will see. You are now number 1 on page 1 of this new search. That's how critically important the title tag is. Now this ties in exactly with the second issue that I want to point out to you, which is the second thing that Google looks at when ranking you, and that is your H1. Now the H1 is a line of text on your website that also contains the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And the H1 needs to match exactly what you have in your title tag. There needs to be a one-to-one correspondence, a one-to-one match. So let's go to your website. I'm going to open up this scanning tool, and we come down and we find out that currently you have 5. You have 5 H1s. Now, anytime you have more than one H1 on a page like this, Google doesn't know what to do with that. Google is confused and doesn't understand what it is that you're wanting to rank for. So this is confusion issue number 1 for Google. Issue number 2 is none of these keywords that you have are matching your title tag at all. So that's issue number 2 for Google. Issue number 3 is that the H1 needs to contain the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And nobody searching for your services would ever type in, "We pride ourselves on our honest, efficient work," or they wouldn't, they might type in hardwood floor repair and hardwood floor installation and refinishing, but all of this is, these are secondary keywords, and there's so many of them, multiple H1s, not matching the title tags. Add all this together, and Google is confused about what you want to rank for. And when that happens, Google doesn't know who to direct to you in a search, and consequently Google will instead red flag and demote your website. So these two fixes alone, or these simple fixes alone, would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because they would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and the Google algorithm. So if you'd like to know more about this and some of the other ranking factors too that I haven't mentioned here, just reply back and let's have a quick chat about it. I would be happy to answer all your questions. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. So that's how powerful it is to be on the top of page 1. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to hearing from you and talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.